Hello, Kingfishers and Wagtails. Well, it's maths, but it's monster maths. So we've got a story for you today because we want you to think about the numbers, but also how you would write them. So I want you to look at it really carefully as we read it through. Are you ready? Our little monster is looking at you. There's a knock at the door. And now there are two. 3 silly monsters can stand on their heads. Can you do that? Can you stand on your head? 4 bouncy monsters are jumping on beds. 5 screaming monsters are chasing each other. 6 wiggly monsters are posing for mother. 7 starved monsters are licking the dishes. 8 blow out candles and make birthday wishes. 9 sticky monsters are washing their faces. 10 speedy monsters run 10 monster races. The monsters keep coming and mother's lost count. 10 more make 20, a monstrous amount. 30 loud monsters are dancing and singing. Mum doesn't look very happy down here, does she? Now there are 40. The doorbell keeps ringing. Good grief, there are 50. That's really too many. Guess who is wishing she didn't see any? Do you think it might be Mum? She shoos away 40. So how many are left then? 10 monsters won't budge. 5 wave goodbye. 5 monsters make fudge. Another departs. 4 monsters are leaping. 1 leaves the house. 3 monsters are creeping. At last 2 go home and the party is done. How many are left? Could there be only 1? The house is a wreck and the couch has been frosted. The food's been devoured and mother's exhausted. But 1 little monster is grateful and glad. It's the best birthday party that she's ever had. So it's one for you grown-ups who are working hard on your remote learning too. So we hope that you enjoy the story and we hope it helps you with writing your numbers as well as doing the digits. We want you to write out the names of those numbers. So enjoy yourself, Kingfishers and Wagtails. See you soon.
Welcome back, Kingfishers and Wagtails. So today we're going to work together to write our numbers in digits and in words. And you can make this into a poster at home and you could have that up in your bedroom so you don't forget how to write your numbers. So let's start with 10. I know that 10, okay, is 1 big 10 and 0 ones. And now I can actually sound out this word. Let's put it on our fingers. T-e-n, 10. Here we go. T-e-n, 10. After 10 comes 11. So we know that we've got 1 10 and 1 1 to make 11. Now 11, we actually can't sound out the first bit. So first we need and now 11 in. It sounds like in at the end, but we actually need 11, 11. So our number words are a bit tricky, but we can actually use that. But if we make our poster, we can refer back and memorize. After 11 comes 12. We need 1 big 10 and 2 little ones. 12. 12. We can sound the first part out. T, w, e, l, v, and we have a silent E at the end. 12. We need a special E at the very end. Well done. Okay, after 12 comes 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. And actually, I can sound this word out. Here we go together. Our digraph. T, E, n. T, E, n. And I can use my sound buttons and my sound lines, just like we do in phonics, to spell my words. After 13 comes 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. Now 4 is a tricky word, so we need to actually just memorize that. So we need a F-O-U-R, 4, and I can hear teen at the end, which I know I can sound out. T-E-N, 14. After 14 we know comes 15, 1 10 and 5 ones. And I don't want to see any backwards 5s, because if your backwards 5 looks like this, then that looks like a 2, doesn't it? Let's rub that off. Okay, so make sure that we have the numbers the right way round. So 15, if, I can sound that part out. If. T-een, I can also sound out the last bit. T-e-n. F-if, t-een. 15. After 15 comes 16. 1 10 and 6 ones. And I can sound that whole word out really easily with my phonics. Let's do that together. S, I, x, t, e, n. S, ix, t, een. 16. After 16 comes 17. And 17 I also can sound out using my phonics. Let's do that together now. S, e, v, e, n, 17. Well done. S-E-V-E-N, T-een. 17. After 17 comes 18. I know 1 10 and 8 ones. Now 8 is a tricky word, so but we have to learn how to spell that. E-I-G-H-T spells 8. 18. After 18 comes 19. 1 10 and 9 ones. 9. Now with our 9, we've not learned split digraphs yet, but I know that when I have a long I sound, I need a special magic E at the end. 9, T-een, 19. And last but not least, we have 20, where we have 2 10s and 0 ones. Now, and E, I can hear E at the end, but I actually need a Y. The Y at the end makes the E sound. So T, W, E, N, T, and then a Y that makes that E sound. 20. If you've done it really well, give yourself a smiley and keep practicing those number words. Bye.